ഹലോ എവരിവൺ, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു അനദർ വീഡിയോ. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മളിതാ വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന നമ്മളെ സൗത്ത് ഇന്ത്യയിലെ തന്നെ വൺ ഓഫ് ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് യൂസ്ഡ് സൂപ്പർ ബൈക്സ് ഡീലേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഷോറൂമിലാണ്. ഈ കാണുന്ന വണ്ടി മൾട്ടി ഷാർട്ട് എടുത്തത് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ നിന്നായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഇവിടെയുള്ള വണ്ടികളുടെ കുറിച്ച് മൊത്തത്തിലൊരു ഡീറ്റെയിലും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരാനാണ്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് CB 650 സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഹോണ്ട CB 650. ഇത് മോഡൽ ബ്രോ?
This 2021 model, sir.
Okay.
Single owner, done 22,000 kilometers.
Okay.
I'm asking 9 lakhs for the bike.
9 lakhs?
Yes.
Okay. Then any accident? No accident?
No accidents, nothing, sir.
Okay.
It's
Then
a stock bike based with basic accessories like crash guards and protectors or something like that.
okay. Then next,
We have
they're asking how much?
9 lakhs.
9 lakhs. Negotiable?
Slight negotiable.
Slightly negotiable. Okay. Next, Triumph Daytona.
Daytona, sir. It's a 2017 model bike.
These all Karnataka races?
It's a Karnataka, sir.
Okay. This one 2000?
17 model bike.
Daytona 675.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's
Tell me.
a third owner bike.
Okay.
34,000 kilometers.
34.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We are asking
Service history is available? Huh?
Service history, yes, sir. We can find the service history.
Okay. Then
8.5 is what we are asking for the bike. The prices are negotiable for all the vehicles. It will be slightly negotiable.
so all the bike it will be
Yeah,
negotiable?
the negotiable part will be there a little bit.
Little bit. Okay. Then come to the mighty Hayabusa.
So this is 2023 model bike.
Yeah.
As well, see, it is single owner bike.
Okay.
Done 7,000 kilometers.
Okay.
We are asking 19.5 for the bike.
Okay. Any add-ons?
It's a fully loaded bike. This is a completely fully loaded
Black
bike.
Widow.
With the Black Widow exhaust.
Yeah,
Accessories like crash guard, meter guards, and spools,
Okay.
ATF. Everything
Yeah.
is there.
PPF also done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Completely fully loaded bike.
ഓക്കെ. നമ്മൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു പോവാണ്, കാരണം ഒരുപാട് ബൈക്കുകളുണ്ട്. അപ്പം പതുക്കെ എടുത്ത വീഡിയോ ലെങ്ത് ആയി പോകും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ബ്രോ, 10R.
This to 10R. This is 2021 model bike. OD registered.
OD
Outside registered bike.
Yeah.
This is also a fully loaded bike.
Hmm.
Then we are asking 18 lakhs for the bike.
18 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much you ridden?
6,000 kilometers.
6,000. Okay.
Then it's second on a bike.
How much this one new bike? How much it is
So
coming?
new bike, it's 26 lakh rupees Karnataka.
Right now.
Right now today it's 26 lakh rupees.
Okay. This is the old version, bro.
This is a Z800.
Z800, yeah.
This is the 800. This is 17 model bike. Fourth owner.
Yeah.
Done 32,000 kilometers. We are asking 6 lakhs for the bike.
6 lakh, huh?
Yeah.
I think so many are there. I think
Those are all
Z900.
Z900s.
Yeah.
This is a Z800.
Only one.
These two. We have a Z800 which is that also.
Yeah.
And that is also a fully loaded
This
bike.
one 6 lakh you are asking, right?
This is 6 lakh rupees.
That
That
one?
is 6.5 lakh rupees.
Okay. Then
That is
one
third
also
owner
you can-
bike. That's a
Z900.
Z900.
Yeah.
Which is priced around. The Z900 starts from 7 lakh rupees.
7 lakh to ranging in
And
between?
9 lakhs, something like that.
Okay.
There are
Depend
different-
upon the
there are
model and order.
four bikes right
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
This is the fourth owner bike. This is a single owner bike. This is third owner bike.
Oh.
That's the second owner bike. But the price starts from 7 lakh rupees for the Z900.
Z900. This one
Yeah.
for 6 lakh, right?
6 lakh rupees.
Okay. And my favorite bike. This one.
V4. Panigale V4.
Panigale. V4 or V4S?
V4.
V4. Okay.
V4.
Yeah.
It's a 2019 bike.
Okay.
Single owner.
Yeah.
It's a RJ registered bike.
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. We are asking 18 lakhs for the bike.
18 lakh.
Yes.
How much ridden, bro?
7,000 kilometers.
7,000. History, everything is available,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
No accidents, nothing.
No accidents. Then one streetable is there, right?
That is sold, sir.
Sold,
That is
huh?
actually sold.
Sold.
That is going for delivery next week.
This one Gen 1 or
Gen 2. That is also sold, sir.
Sold, huh? Okay.
Yes,
Then no need. This one?
This is
JSX-R.
JSX-R 1000.
Okay.
It's a 2015 model bike.
Okay.
We are asking 11 lakhs for the bike. It's a
15 model, huh?
Yeah. It's a third owner bike.
Okay. Ridden how much?
We run 32,000 kilometers.
ഓക്കെ ഗൈസ്, അപ്പം ഒരുപാട് വണ്ടികളുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ. നമ്മളെ ബഡ്ജറ്റിനനുസരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് താല്പര്യമുള്ള ആ ഒരു കാറ്റഗറി വണ്ടികൾ, ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ വണ്ടികളുണ്ട്. എൻ്റെ മെയിൻ ഞാൻ നോക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാറ്റഗറി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സൂപ്പർ സ്പോർട്ടാണ്. അതിൽ ഒരെണ്ണമാണ് ഈ കിടക്കുന്ന V4. അതെന്നെക്കൊണ്ട് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ എന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്കറിയില്ല, പക്ഷേ എൻ്റെ ഒരു ആഗ്രഹമാണ്. അതല്ലെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്ന ഒരു സാധനമാണ് ഈ ഡയറ്റോൺ. ഇത് കൊടുത്തത് എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കരമായ സങ്കടവും എന്താ പറയുക ഭയങ്കര വിഷമമുണ്ട്. ഇനി ഒരെണ്ണം നല്ല കിട്ടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരെണ്ണം എടുക്കണം. ഹാർലിയിലോട്ട് പോകാം അല്ലേ? ഹാർലി.
This is Street 750.
ഓക്കെ.
This 2015 model bike.
ഓ,
Done only 5,000 kilometers.
Single
We are
owner?
asking, we are asking 3.75 for the bike.
3.75.
Yes, sir.
Karnataka
Single
registration?
and Karnataka bike.
Okay. Any accessories, anything?
So all the basic accessories like crash guards,
Yeah.
the backrest,
Yeah.
the little bit of accessories are there.
Oh, okay.
Not completely loaded, something like that.
I have no idea about Harley. I have not ridden any Harley Davidson on this.
The Street 750 is something like a
This is a basic, I think.
basic version.
Ah.
This you can use it on a regular basis,
Okay.
on a daily basis. This is something like a bullet.
Yeah, yeah. This one?
This is an 883. This is an 883. This is 2013 model bike.
Okay.
Second owner.
Okay.
Done 6,000 kilometers.
Okay. Asking? This one asking 3.75.
Yes, sir.
This one?
4.5.
4.5. This is a Fireblade.
Yes, sir. This is the 5-blade.
I think this is a 9 or a 9 model, 2009?
Yeah, 2009
Yeah.
model bike.
Okay.
It's completely loaded.
Mm.
We are
Previously I have the same bike,
Okay.
Repsol edition.
Okay.
I came here now.
I remember. This is 2009 model bike.
Yeah.
Has done 30,000 kilometers.
Okay. Ownership?
Third owner.
Third owner. Okay.
Third owner. They're asking 8.5 for the bike.
8.5. Okay.
And this is 2021 model Hayabusa.
That is a 2023, right?
That is 2023.
Asking how much that was?
19.5.
19.5. Oh.
This 2021 model bike, single owner, done 7,000 kilometers.
Oh, Brock's
Asking-
exhaust.
Brock's exhaust.
Oh, okay.
Asking 19 lakhs for the bike.
19.
Yes, sir.
That one?
19.5.
5. What's the difference then?
That's 2023 model bike. This
Okay.
2021 model bike. That's it.
Okay. That is single owner, right?
Yeah, that is also single owner. This is also single owner.
Only 50,000 difference?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Since that has a exhaust.
Oh.
That has a expensive exhaust.
This one?
That has a Black Widow.
Black
exhaust.
Widow, yeah, I know.
For example, Black Widow exhaust will be costing some 1.7 something, 1.75 or something. The Brock's will cost you some 2.5 something.
Yeah, that's the difference.
That's
yeah.
a little bit slightly difference.
Okay.
And this is a 2024 model ZX4 RR.
Or double R, yeah.
This is
This is
brand new
entry
bike,
level
something-
super sport model. Entry level.
entry level super sport.
Yeah, yeah.
It's an inline 4-cylinder.
How much
Has an
base
800
power? Power how
kilometers.
much? 78, huh?
Yes, sir. 70 something. 70
Something.
change something.
Oh,
This is a entry level sports bike.
okay.
It's 2024 model. Done only 800 kilometers.
800?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Number plate also not there, huh?
Not there.
Asking?
We are asking 13 lakhs for the bike, sir.
13.
Yes, sir.
Then fresh how much it is, bro?
I think so. It's 14 lakhs or something. 14 or 15 lakhs something.
You are asking 13.
Yes, sir. 13.
Okay, okay. Then രണ്ട്
So with,
bike
behind which is there is a Harley. That's a Indian Scout Bobber.
Indian, yeah, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
It's a very limited bike, very limited edition bike.
Okay.
This is a pre-22 model bike,
2022.
2022 model bike.
Okay.
It's single owner. Then even this is done only 800 kilometers.
How much you are asking? Single owner?
Single owner, 18.5 lakhs is what we are asking. The brand new is something 24 lakhs something. today.
18.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Only 800 kilometer ridden.
Yeah.
Okay.
So brand new is 24 lakhs something change
Okay.
for this bike.
Indian Scout,
Yeah,
right?
Scout Bobber.
Scout
There-
Bobber.
There is one more bike called Scout that
Okay.
comes with the 2 seats.
Oh, oh.
This
This
is the
is
Bobber
Scout
version.
Bobber, yeah, okay.
It comes with a single seat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Then one more here is there, na?
This is a Fat Bob.
Yeah, Harley.
Yes, sir. This is
Okay.
2019.
Okay,
Third owner, done only 3,000 kilometers.
okay.
And
Then-
we are asking 11 lakhs for the bike.
This is all stock or any add-on? is
Actually,
there?
add-ons is there. This is a company. This is the protector for the extension mud guard. This is
Okay.
a extension mud guard, crash guards, extended foot rests
yeah.
and foot rest,
Okay.
the backrest. All those things are add-ons.
2020.
Yes, sir.
How much asking?
11 lakhs.
11 lakhs.
There is a third owner bike, only done 3,000 kilometers.
These all are negotiable, right?
Yeah, prices are all negotiable.
Okay. And one more Harley is there, no?
So that is the Night Rod.
Yeah.
It's a MH registered bike.
Okay.
It's 2015.
Okay.
I'm asking 14.5 lakh rupees for the bike. It's a second owner bike, done 20,000 kilometers.
Okay. Okay. With these all accessories, right?
Yeah, this is all the accessories. It has an exhaust,
Yeah,
everything.
yeah, yeah.
Exhaust, scratch guards, lights, all those things. It's completely like a fully loaded bike.
Then
And we have a
Gold Wing. Yeah.
That's a 2018.
Canada
bike.
registration, Gold Wing.
No, sir. It's a Pondicherry registered. bike.
Pondicherry. Okay.
It's a 2018
Hmm.
fourth owner bike.
Okay.
We are asking 28 lakhs for the bike.
28.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's a PY registered bike.
PY registered, no?
Yes, sir.
2000?
Sir?
Which model?
18.
18. Yeah.
Fourth
Fourth owner?
Yes, sir.
ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ സോ ഗൈസ് അപ്പോൾ അത്രയൊക്കെയാണ് ഇവിടുത്തെ ഒരു സ്റ്റോറി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും വണ്ടിയെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണമെന്ന് താല്പര്യം ഉണ്ടെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഓണേഴ്സിൻ്റെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഞാൻ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസിൽ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ കൊടുക്കാം. സോ നമുക്ക് വീണ്ടും അടുത്തൊരു വീഡിയോ കാണാം.